Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of paying high cable bills and still want access to crystal clear local channels, then you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 indoor TV antennas that are affordable, easy to set up, and perfect for cord cutters who still want great reception from the comfort of their living room. Whether you're looking for range, sleek design, or a budget-friendly option, we've got something for everyone. So stick around as we break down the pros, cons, and standout features of each pick. And if you see one you like, all product links are conveniently listed in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. Let's jump in. Top 5 indoor TV antennas. 5. ATV Future. Cut the cord and enjoy crystal clear, cost-free HD TV with our upgraded digital antenna for smart TVs. Say goodbye to expensive cable bills and access a wide range of full HD channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, CW, Univision, and more, bringing you the latest in news, sports, sitcoms, and kids programming. Featuring advanced 360-degree signal reception with a powerful smart IC chip, this indoor antenna filters out interference and captures 4K, UHD, and 1080p signals from all directions, ensuring exceptional picture and sound quality. The included premium coaxial cable with enhanced copper wiring provides up to a 120-mile reception range, minimizing signal loss and maximizing reliability. For optimal performance, place the antenna in an open, unobstructed area and rescan channels after repositioning. Our dedicated 24/7 customer support team is always ready to assist, making this a smart, hassle-free solution for high-quality, budget-friendly entertainment. Qtbvae, cut the cord and enjoy crystal clear 4K UHD without spending a dime with our zero-cost 4K UHD TV antenna. Featuring the latest intelligent IC chip, this smart TV antenna amplifies signals while reducing interference, giving you access to major networks like CBS, ABC, Fox, and more. With a powerful booster and 360 degrees reception range of up to 650 plus miles, it delivers stunning visuals, whether you're indoors, outdoors, or on the go. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, the sleek, waterproof design installs easily with a magnetic base and a 16.5 feet copper cable. Setup takes minutes. Just connect, position, scan, and enjoy. For best results, check available local channels using trusted sites like nocable.org or TV Fool. And if you ever need help, our dedicated customer service team has you covered. 3. GesoByte. Say goodbye to costly cable bills with our powerful Full HD TV antenna. Enjoy access to popular channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, PBC, Fox, and more, completely free. Our upgraded smart TV antenna features the latest 2025 amplifier signal booster with a smart IC chip and crystal clear filtering technology, delivering crisp HD picture and sound quality while reducing interference from cell and FM signals. With a reception range of up to 1,000 miles and a 26.55 feet coaxial cable, you can place the antenna almost anywhere in your home for the best signal. The included 18 feet HD TV cable and USB power adapter with over-voltage protection makes setup easy, even for TVs far from windows. Plus, our dedicated support team is always here to assist with any setup or performance questions. And 2. Fortrek. Enjoy crystal clear HD TV for free with the 2025 Fortrek indoor TV antenna, designed with a powerful 50-plus mile range to bring you local channels like ABC, CBS, NBC, PBS, and Fox without costly subscriptions. Compatible with various HD TV formats, DVB to ISDBT, DMB-TH, ATSC, this antenna delivers enhanced picture quality and vibrant, lifelike visuals. Its ultra-thin, stylish design fits seamlessly into any room and can be placed on a wall behind your TV or near a window for optimal signal reception. Quick to install and easy to move, it's ideal for homes, apartments, or even RVs. Backed by a 365-day refund guarantee and lifetime warranty, along with responsive 24-hour customer support, the Fortrek antenna offers a reliable and affordable way to enjoy full HD entertainment. 1. Frongl TX07. Experience the power of advanced signal reception with our 2025 new upgraded TV antenna, designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Engineered with the latest smart IC chip and enhanced signal booster, this antenna can receive channels from an incredible 1,000-plus mile range, optimizing signal transmission and minimizing interference for crystal clear reception even in remote areas. The 360-degree signal reception ensures strong, stable performance from any direction, regardless of weather conditions, thanks to its durable design and 16.5-foot high-quality cable. Choose between long-range and short-range modes to suit your distance from broadcast towers. Long range for over 35 miles and short range for closer coverage, ensuring the best picture quality and more channel options. Say goodbye to monthly fees and enjoy access to hundreds of free HD local channels, including ABC, CBS, NBC, Fox, PBS, and more. Installation is quick and hassle-free with plug-and-play simplicity and included instructions. Plus, our dedicated support team is ready to assist you with any questions or concerns, offering professional service and a response within 24 hours. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the top 5 indoor TV antennas. We hope this helped you find the perfect antenna to boost your signal and cut the cord with confidence. If you saw something you liked, you'll find links to all the antennas we featured down in the description, including updated pricing and more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next tech review. Until next time, happy streaming.